Okay, now we're ready to go ahead and inspect the opening and make sure that it's ready to go and clean up any debris that's in the way of putting in the new window. Okay, now we're getting ready to install the new window in the opening. And the first thing we want to do is go ahead and recheck the measurements on this window. So the opening, I measured from the sill on this side, from the frame on this side to the frame on this side, and I had a 36-inch opening on the width. And then for the height, I went and measured right here from the top of the sill to the top of the trim, and I am 23 3/4, the measurement right there. Now the new window measures 35 3/4 inches wide. And on the height, I had the window made at 23 3/4 to give me a little bit of clearance in there, so the window will fit in nice and snug in the opening. All right, one of the things you want to make sure you do before you install the window is make sure you remove the screen. If you go ahead and get it out of the way first, it's going to prevent a lot of damage. So the way to do it, you just take something flat, get this the grab handle pulled down just a little bit so you can get to it. Take something flat, get it up in there. Just pull it down, pull it out, push it to the one side, and then pull it out the other side. And there, the screen comes out easy. Okay, now before we install the window, we want to make sure that the opening's good and clean. And this opening here looks pretty good. It's ready to go. We've already got it cleaned up, so we're ready to put the new window in. Okay, and you also want to make sure that the window is level, the window opening is level before you put the window in. This one here, this opening is almost perfect. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and check the sides to see how level they are. The sides of this opening look really great too.